Hello my dear students, welcome to my VPS English Club channel. Myself Sushma Selukar. In this video, I am going to give you deep knowledge about question tags or tail tags. So without wasting the time, we will start the video. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and can join our group on Telegram. The links are given in the description box. In this way, you would be more connected with us in different ways. So, let's begin. Question tags or tail tags. Sometimes people finish what they are saying with a short question. Why do they do this? Because they want to know if the person they are speaking to agrees with them. This short question is called a question tag. For example, the weather is lovely today, isn't it? Question tags are mainly used in speech when we want to first confirm that something is true or not. Second, to encourage a reply from the person we are speaking to. There are 4 basic rules have to be kept in mind while making question tags. Number 1. The sentence and the question tag will be in the same tense. Number 2. If the sentence is an affirmative sentence, the question tag will be negative. And if the sentence is a negative sentence, the question tag will be positive. Number 3. The pronoun is always used in the question tag. Number 4. In negative question tags, we use the contracted forms of the helping verb and not. For example, hasn't, couldn't, etc. Rules and explanations along with examples for question tag. Number 1. In affirmative sentence, the tag question will be negative. For example, first, Madhu plucks flowers, doesn't she? Second, helmet makes driving safe, doesn't it? Number 2, in negative sentence, the tag will be positive. For example, first, dogs cannot fly, can they? Second, everybody cannot be clever, can they? Number 3, for sentences having moral auxiliary, tags will be depending on whether positive or negative is needed. For example, first, everybody cannot drive, can they? Second, everybody should wear a seat belt while driving, shouldn't they? Number 4. Everybody, everyone, no one, nobody are singular. So, we use a singular verb and singular pronoun with them. But, in the question tag, a plural verb and a plural pronoun will be used. For example, first, everybody has to pay his own bill, haven't they? Second, none of your friends has arrived yet, have they? Number 5, for affirmative imperative sentence, we use will you or won't you in the question tag. For example, first, kindly take a seat, will you? Second, please give me the pen, won't you? Number 6. For negative imperative sentence, we use will you as the question tag. For example, first, don't touch the wire, will you? Second, don't make a noise in the class, will you? Number 7. For imperative sentence beginning with letters, when a suggestion or proposal is being made, the question tag will be shall we. For example, first, let us go for a movie. Shall we? Second, let us go to meet her. Shall we? Number 8. For imperative sentence beginning with let but not followed by us, the question tag will be will you. For example, first, let Madhu go. Will you? Second, let them do their work. Will you? Number 9. For imperative sentence having nothing, anything, everything, something as the subject, the question tag will have it as the pronoun. For example, first, everything is clear, isn't it? Second, nothing can revive this worst situation. Can it? Number 10. If any sentence has used to do in it, then the question tag will be usedn't or didn't. For example, first, he used to come here. Usedn't he? Second, he used to play the guitar very well. Didn't he? Number 11. Never, no, nobody, hardly, seldom, scarcely, few, little, not, none, rarely, etc. are negative words. So, the question tag will not be negative. For example, my son never stands still. Does he? Second, he hardly does his duties. Does he? Number 12. In exclamatory sentence, the question tag will contain the auxiliary verbs. For example, first, how beautiful the garden is, isn't it? Second, how big the slide is, isn't it? Number 13. Moon, earth, river, motherland, country, sheep, train are treated as feminine gender. In the tag question, the pronoun used will be she. Instead of she, it can also be used. For example, first, India has never attacked any country. Has she? Second, the Titanic was thought to be unsinkable. Wasn't she? Number 14. There is no contracted form of am not. So, in question tags, aren't is used. For example, first, I am a little late today. Aren't I? Second, I am confident. Aren't I? Note. But if the question tag to be used is not in contracted form, then am I can be used. For example, first, I am not late today. Am I? Second, I am not busy. Am I? Number 15. If the subject of a sentence is there, 1. This, that, these, those, then the question tag will contain there, one, this, etc. as the pronoun. For example, first, there is a book on the table. Isn't there? Second, one cannot find a solution to this problem. Can one? Number 16. Collective nouns are used in singular forms. So, the question tag will have a singular verb and a singular pronoun. For example, first, the class has selected its monitor. Hasn't it? Second, The team has played very well, hasn't it? But if the collective noun is treated as one unit, we use the plural verb and plural pronoun. For example, the team have to arrange for their own shoes, haven't they? Now, it's time for assignment. So let's start. Question number 1. Write down the basic rules while making question tags. Question number 2. Give the correct question tag for the following. Number 1. Cricket is more popular today. Number 2. I am happy. Number 3. Love the poor. Number 4. There are some problems here. Number 5. He used to play cricket. Number 6. How big the slide is. Number 7. Everybody cannot drive. Number 8. I am not late today. Number 9. Let Madhu go. Number 10. Let us go to meet her. Write this assignment in your notebook and send these photos on our Telegram group. And you can also join us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are given in the description box. And at last, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for easy